Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Pan Yong, Vice President of Huawei Intelligent Vision and Collaboration Product and Solution Sales.
Hi everyone, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to extend a warm welcome to all our customers, partners, media friends, and industry colleagues for joining us today at the 2021 Huawei Intelligent Corporation Product Launch. I'm sure you can understand why this year we held this event online. And before we start, I would like to send my best wishes to those impacted by the pandemic and hope you all will stay safe during this period. First, I want to give thanks to our customers and partners for your long-term support. Huawei Intelligent Corporation business has been going strong for 28 years. Today, I would like to talk about our products in the market for the past 2 years. In 2019, we launched a generation video conference solution, which incorporates the MCU, CloudLink Room Presence, and CloudLink Box Series endpoints. With the concept of inclusive 4K and AI, the solution became a benchmark in the video conferencing industry. In April 2020, we released a series of new IdeaHub products to provide a suite of productivity tools for device cloud synergy. The tools are perfect for smart office environment because of the extensive office application and cooperation features. Our focus has shifted from enterprise communications to intelligent cooperation. And as such, we have invested in 2 development tracks: Telepresence Conference and IdeaHub. Huawei IdeaHub is a combination of technology and art. The product and interactive experience design has led a trend of technical innovation and won recognition from many professional organizations. For example, the Red Dot Design Award in Germany 2020 and the Global Team Cooperation Device Innovation Award in Forest and Sullivan, a world-renowned consulting company. I want to give special thanks to the experts in the industry for their recognition and support. The pandemic has greatly accelerated the digital economy and make digital work a new normal. Let's look at Huawei as an example. Huawei employs over 200,000 employees in more than 1,000 offices across 170 countries and regions. But like most companies, we were impacted earlier last year. On the first day back to work, more than half of our employees worked from home. On that day, around 40,000 meetings were held to ensure working efficiency and communication. During this time, 65,000 Huawei employees used desktop cloud to access the R&D environment. Even at home, they could easily code and work anytime, anywhere. This shift from our traditional work mode to digital helps free our employees from time and energy wasted in meeting rooms, as well as business trips to different countries, research centers, and representative offices. While the traffic of the office services increased 6 times, the traffic expense reduced 28%. Currently, throughout our 1,000 offices, we upgrade our voice conference system to video conference modules. What's more, the whiteboard devices in conference room, executive rooms, and R&D office area will be upgraded to intelligent HD interactive board. This will provide our staff with a better and more efficient cooperation experience. As a new productivity tool, Huawei IdeaHub reshaping the traditional office's mode and is to influencing working mode in various industries. Huawei IdeaHub used with 5G was the first combined together for live broadcast at the open ceremony of fourth ICT competition in the Middle East. IdeaHub provides ultra-low writing latency, remote bidirectional cooperation, and HD audiovisual synchronization functions. The IdeaHub allows teachers and students to participate remotely for an immersive communication. During the fighting against the pandemic in school in Brazil, IdeaHub break the geographical barriers and connected teachers and students for smart distance education. It also facilitates diversified and online teaching thanks to extensive interaction capabilities, helping to stimulate students' learning and efficiently reduce the impact of the pandemic on education. IdeaHub is also working wonder in telehealth. From Wuhan University Hospital in China to Congo Kinshasa, IdeaHub connects doctors and ensure quality treatment. In one case, despite a distance of 11,000 kilometers, doctors smoothly cooperate just like face-to-face communication to treat a patient with oral cancer. Huawei IdeaHub products has provided a variety of interesting new experiences and applications that have greatly stimulated your creativity. Last November, Huawei Deep-Sea Manned Submersible 奋斗者 challenged the world's deepest ocean, setting a new record for manned deep diving at 10,000 meters in Marina Exchange at the Western Pacific Ocean. You know what? The video materials of 奋斗者 will shoot to global audience through Huawei IdeaHub. Huawei works with a global hotpot company named Haidilao to connect people via HD video. The company rolled out a cloud dinner service available at Haidilao's restaurants in over 40 cities globally, allowing people who were separated to seamlessly enjoy a special meal with their lovely families. Huawei IdeaHub is not only just suitable for science and education industries, but also is a perfect option for online sales and transaction. Simi, an internet icon from Brazil, used the IdeaHub to live stream and sell products, efficiently enhanced her online performance leveraging to a stunning display of products. During the 2020 pandemic, 18 million enterprises and 300 million people worked remotely in China. There are 260 million students and 20 million teachers who conduct distance learning, online courses, and online assignment submission and collection. 30,000 hospitals carry out activity such as remote consultation, remote visit, and online live surgeon teaching, remote government work, online document receiving and sending. And the remote commands are carried out in over 100 cities and 30 provinces. It can be said that the pandemic has permanently changed the work and life of each of us. Its impact will also be long-term and far-reaching. In the post-pandemic era, we need to build a digital work platform, embrace a new work style, improving organizational efficiency, and make everyone work more efficiently. The core element of the new way of working is AI. In 2020, Huawei released the Intelligent Twins, which is a reference architecture proposed for intelligent upgrade and leverages AI as the core for a new working mode. With collaboration across the cloud, edge, and devices, Intelligent Twins deliver smart office for people, organizations, and enterprises in all scenarios. For example, in typical application of hospitals, the intelligent image reading slashes the time of reading a CT scan from 12 minutes to seconds. The time for CT qualification results is reduced from 4 hours to 1 minute. Hundreds of CT scans can be read instantly, and the period of medical consultation is reduced from 3 days to less than 1 hour. This greatly improves medical service efficiency and is especially helpful when medical resources are inefficiently. As we all know, Huawei's mission is to bring digital to every person, home, organization for a fully connected, intelligent world. The mission of our team, Huawei Intelligent Cooperation Team, that is oriented to digital office, intelligent work, is to let everyone work intelligently and unleash organizational effectiveness. We are committed to building tools with advanced productivity in the cloud era. Our strategy is to connect two ecosystems, providing one-stop smart office solution for users. This helps users easily handle various complex business scenarios and diverse work requirements of enterprises. In 2021, we will actively embrace the Harmony ecosystem and become the core entry for organization cooperation and business flows, achieving seamless cooperation across all scenarios and terminals at the enterprise level. Huawei will build a rich application ecosystem based on Huawei Cloud to provide users with basic conferencing, office digitalization, and industry digitalization applications to meet scenario-based services requirements for the enterprises. In terms of products, we continually invest in 5 core technologies to provide users with ultimate product experience. In addition to the 5 core technology advantages you know well, more importantly, we have systemic software and hardware engineering capabilities from bottom layer to the system interaction. This enables us to keep leading in product performance, interaction experience, and application innovation, and build future-oriented productivity tools, challenge the working mode, and improving productivity efficiency. Through the continuous innovation, we improve our product line and promote new products. Huawei IdeaHub board is a brand new product series for smart office and smart education. Now, let's watch a video. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to announce that the Huawei IdeaHub board is officially launched. Project Minds, right ideas. This is IdeaHub board. To recap, let's see what Huawei IdeaHub board it brings to various space. For smart classrooms, IdeaHub board provides students and teachers with more healthy, smarter, and more efficient teaching experience. For meeting rooms, the IdeaHub board greatly improves the working efficiency and empowers leaders and staff to maximize their potentials. For open office space, the IdeaHub board helps unleash your creativity and inspiration anytime, anywhere. Next, my colleague Simon Dai will introduce our new product to you in detail. Please